Hi everyone! Today we're going to be talking about my new webcam that I got for my birthday. So this new camera that I got is super awesome. I absolutely love it. It's the Logitech HD Webcam, like 920. It's the C920 Logitech HD Pro Webcam. And I love it. Like, it is so nice. Before, I couldn't do a full screen of my face like this, but now I can do that and you can see everything. Like, it's all clear, and if I come in, you know, it refocuses, which is awesome, and I can move back and it refocuses, and it like changes with the lighting and tries to compensate and all of those things. And I, make YouTube videos and I stream. And so between the two of them, using my webcam on my laptop was not going well at all. So using this has been really nice. It was super easy to install. All I had to do was plug it in and it installed all of the software, and everything went great with that. I didn't have any issues with it. The only issue I had was actually enabling it on Streamlabs OBS, but outside of that, nothing had any issues. So that was really, really cool. So I just wanted to let you guys know that I give it a 5 out of 5 stars, and I hope you'll check it out and maybe try it yourselves, because being a streamer or content creator, quality is really, really important. And being able to have a really nice camera is really, really good. So I will put links below to Amazon so you can see it. It's not too expensive. I want to say it's about $50, so not bad for a really good webcam that can, record in 1080p. And yeah, I will list all my other links to my social media and everything else down below. You can check out some of my other videos that I've created. Probably not going to actually be reviews, but who knows? Hopefully I will be doing more of these, and I will be seeing you guys more often. Thank you so much for stopping by. Bye-bye.